Chapter 12 King Lear. Quick answers. What does Lear decide to do with his kingdom? King Lear decides to divide his kingdom into 3 parts and distribute the 3 parts among his daughters. What do Lear's 2 elder daughters say about their love for him? Goneril tells Lear that her love for him is so great that it makes her breathless and speechless. Regan, his second daughter, agrees with her sister and also adds that nothing gives her more joy than loving her father. What is Cordelia's answer to Lear? How does Lear react to it? Cordelia, unlike her 2 sisters, decides to say the truth. She tells that as his daughter, it is her duty to love, honor, and obey her father, and she does that with all her heart. King Lear is disappointed with Cordelia's reply, and he denounces her and declares that she would not receive any portion of his kingdom from him. Why does the Earl of Kent argue with Lear? The Earl of Kent argues with Lear since he believes that Lear's 2 elder daughters are flattering him and telling him lies. He realizes that he has fallen prey to their lies, whereas Cordelia, who has been honest about her feeling with her father, has been denounced. Which of these best describes the conflict or problem in this extract of the play? 2b. A conflict between Lear and Cordelia. Number 3. Reference to context. A love that makes breath poor and speech unable beyond all manner of so much I love you. Who says this and to whom? Goneril says this to her father, King Lear. Why does the speaker say this? Goneril decides to use these flattering words because Lear asked her how much she loves him, and the portion of the kingdom that she was to get from Lear depended on whether he liked her reply or not. What does the speaker mean by a love that makes breath poor? A love that makes breath poor refers to Goneril's love for father, which is so great that it makes it difficult for her to breathe. Nothing, my lord. Nothing will come of nothing. Speak again. Who speaks the first line? Cordelia is the speaker of the first line. Why does she respond that way? Cordelia responded that way because her love for her father was greater than the love of her 2 elder sisters, which could not be explained through words. What happens as a result of this response? As a result of this response, Lear is disappointed and denounces her and gives no portion of his kingdom to her. Come not between the dragon and his wrath. I loved her most and thought to set my rest on her kind nursery. What is meant by a love that makes breath poor? A love that makes breath poor refers to Goneril's love for her father, which is so great that it makes her difficult to breathe. Why is the dragon angry? The dragon is angry because it had expected to hear better words from his most favorite daughter, Cordelia. Who is referred to as a dragon and why is he called that? King Lear is referred to as a dragon here. Lear is called that because he is upset with Cordelia's reply and is angry, much like a dragon that breathes fire when it is angry. What does the speaker finally declares about this person spoken to? Lear finally declares that he denounces Cordelia as his daughter and gives the remaining portion of his kingdom to his other 2 daughters.